Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You cannot bypass activation lock. Start by proving ownership. Locate the purchase receipt showing device serial or IMEI and the seller's details. Once done, verify the device serial or IMEI from settings or the box so you have consistent records. Make sure to attempt Apple ID sign-in only if you legitimately own the account. This establishes whether the lock is an Apple ID issue or a transfer gap. These initial facts make the rest possible and legal. Next, contact Apple support and explain the activation lock situation. Give them the serial/IMEI and be ready to submit proof of purchase. Prepare a government ID and scan copies of your original receipt showing serial/IMEI and seller information, because Apple verifies ownership manually. If support asks, schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized provider so staff can inspect paperwork and the device. This route is the approved way to remove activation locks when ownership is validated. Finally, if Apple verifies your ownership with the documents, they will either remove the activation lock or guide you through account recovery. If you cannot produce acceptable proof, do not try to circumvent the lock. Instead, pursue a refund from the seller or legal recovery. Make sure to keep all communication records and receipts. Troubleshooting tip: if the seller is unresponsive, file a police report and preserve transaction evidence. This may help with consumer protection claims or Apple's review process when trying to reclaim the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.